Hi guys, this is by Rizalo again, and for today's video, I'm going to teach you a very exciting feature of an iPhone, which is screen recording. It just if you know how to do the screen recording, it's super easy, especially when you're vlogging. So when you're screen recording, it should look like this. Like this icon should look like this, okay? Okay, so the first thing that you want to make sure you when you want to use your screen recording is to make sure that your screen recording icon is added to your control center. So to do that, press the setting on your iPhone and then press control center and then customize controls. Okay, so when you get to this screen, these are all the ones on red are all your customized control center. So if your screen recording is not here yet and is still on the bottom on the green, so the only thing that you have to do is to just press the green icon shown in here, and then it will automatically add it to your customized control center, and it will look like red. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Okay, great. So you already added your screen recording to your customized control center. So to start recording, just swipe up your the phone, the screen of your phone, and then tap the screen recording button, and it should give you a countdown of 1 to 3. And you'll see that it's blinking red like this, and it means that you are now recording. And the cool part of it is now you can record anything, inside your phone or whatever in your phone. And for you to know that you are still recording, it should show you that red, that red flashing thing on the top of your iPhone screen that shows that you are still recording. So to stop your recording, there is two ways. It's either that you swipe up again and manually stop the recording from the button, or tap that red flashing thing on the top of your screen and just press stop as just like this. Okay. And the cool part about this is the recording will automatically save in your photos, and basically you don't have to do anything. It's already there. Okay, so I hope you guys learned something from this tutorial, and if you want me to do more tutorial like this, please comment down below. But please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.